These are two important tools for a beekeeper, in my opinion, probably the most important two you can have. I want to talk just a little bit now about keeping a smoker in reasonable condition. When I finish with it, all I do is just plug the end up and then lay it down on its side, and usually it'll go out within a minute or two. If you leave it upright, of course the air will go through, cause a little bit of a draft, and it will keep going. So just lay it down. After a time it will get clogged up, so try and keep it clean if you can, and this is all I do. When I say clogged up, the nozzle won't go down easily. Well, then very often what happens is it does that when you're operating it. So we'll try and make it easier to use. So just empty it out. Clean it out. There's a hole that goes through here, which blasts the air through the box. Just make sure that's cleaned out so that it gets a reasonable blast of air. And then all I do is just clean round the end here. This doesn't take very long, but it's well worth the effort. And then in the nozzle, do the same thing. This is one of the reasons I like these hive tools with a bent end. And then bits in the middle. Just clean that out. Now something like a big nail or a screwdriver. Just clean that out. There it is done, and your lid fits nice again. So if you do that 2 or 3 times a season, it makes beekeeping a lot easier. And if it makes beekeeping easier, it makes it much more fun.